What is the date today? The date is the 23rd. What day is it? Today is Thursday. What month is it? It's October. So today is Thursday, October 23rd, right? Yes, it is. Hey, Tenzin, where are you? I'm at the cafe. What are you doing at the cafe? I'm having a lemon tea with a friend. Oh, I see. When are you coming to my place? I'll come soon. What work do you have? I don't have any important work. I thought we could make supper together. Okay, I'm going to let you go now. Okay, see you soon. What do you do every day? I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. After having gotten up, I wash my face. I eat at 6:30. Then I brush my teeth. At 7:30, I go to work. I eat at 12:15. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.